Kitchen island, master rooms by the door, low level light, GA 10-watt bubble type design bulbs, hanging up with up to 6 feet of length for tall ceilings, sloped ceilings on the walls as shown. We're going to show you what this product is about. This is a 2-pack ceiling pendant. It can be adjusted to heights, GU10 bulb with 3 colors. The company provided showing you how it's unpackaged inside the box with the instruction guide laid on top. IYAZG is the company. We have here is the pendant with the hardware and bracketing with all the material laid inside each of the units. Protected by foam as we remove are the pendant lights with the cables. They are protected by plastic as we pull out to show you the bubble design. A close-up look, all the different bubbles, different sizes from top to bottom. Looking in from the bottom to the top, it will shine around to give an elegant look. We're going to hang up the light fixture. They're for kitchen aisles, living rooms, doorway entrances with boards and all, hallways, additional lighting to accent your studio, apartment, house, and more. As we take out the main bracket to hang up, with the supplied bolts to your lighting box, place in and secure down. We have 6 feet of cord and we're hooking up load for load and neutral for neutral. With the option of wire nuts or quick connect screw-ons. With 2 screws and bolts, simply place in your leads, match up the holes, and lock down. From the ceiling to the floor of the fixture measures roughly about 6 feet. To adjust, we have plastic screws, one on the top, one on the bottom, over here that we can adjust our height. Loosen up and start pushing the cable up. We want our light about this high right here, so we push up. And lock into place. Our light is ready to be turned on by the wall switch. The first light will turn on and be 1 Kelvin, off to the 2nd Kelvin, off to the 3rd Kelvin, and recycle back each and every time. We are on the coolest Kelvin. The light is off, on and off to the warm Kelvin, to the medium Kelvin, to the cool Kelvin. With the additional lighting, this accents the area, 10 watts, a warm Kelvin, and shines around, as you can see. As we get close up to the unit and look at it, you can see the bubbles in the warm Kelvin, and then the cool Kelvin. On the top, we have 2 screw holes if we want to mount them onto the wall. These are just some of the options that you can hang on a wall and all. These are island lights, living room lights, master room, rooms that need light. Simply go over to the light, loosen up the plastic screw, and adjust it to the length you require. Come over to the wall switch and shut off the light. Turn them on to different colors and all. I hope you enjoy your lights. decorating the house, and more. Thank you for viewing.